After this video, you will be able to earn $250 in 5 minutes with artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. I know it sounds like a dream, but believe me, it's very easy to earn this number with the tactics I'll show you. This seller you see writes professional mails and has earned more than $50,000 so far. No matter where you are in the world, you will be able to do this job from your bed. You will be very surprised when you see how easy this method is. Don't worry, you don't need to have any skills for this job, because with the tactics I will give you, you can write professional mail texts. Listen carefully to the steps I will show you in this video, and watch the video without skipping to understand it better. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. As you know, ChatGPT is improving as the day goes by. We should also benefit from artificial intelligence and be open to innovations. We log into ChatGPT and create an email template according to the request of your customers. For example, write an introductory to introduce to an influencer email text for a beauty product. As you can see, it wrote the mail in seconds. You can write as many emails as you want. If you don't like the answer it gave, write it again until you like it. Since you are talking in the form of a chat with ChatGPT, you can ask him to write this email in a funnier style if you want. It will be enough to write "make it funnier" for this. As you can see, he wrote in a more humorous style. But trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. So if you want me to make more videos like this, please make sure to hit the subscribe and like button. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. If you want, you can come and open a gig on Fiverr.com. As you can see, there are very few gigs on this topic, and it will be very easy for you to get an order. If you want me to make videos of more unexplored topics like this, mention it in the comments. If you want to reach customers directly, you can find customers who need this service from sites such as people per hour. Thus, you can find customers who need this service. We go into the search section and enter the search project section, and we write mail marketing. These keywords you see are for those who want to get this service. You can send a proposal to these customers. Take action and start making money online right now. In the comments section, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for your country. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. We are showing you many money-making ways that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you like our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, which is the most important thing for me, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for the country where you live. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.